the backyard is pretty much all rocks, but over here, see, these are pine trees. And these pine needles are very hard to get off the rocks. So I found myself a little rake here, and what I did was I cut the little, see that? See these things were all connected. I cut them because when they were all connected, I was basically raking rocks. So I'm going to use this to skim the surface and get as many as I can with this, and then I'm going to use the vacuum attachment from a leaf blower. It's a leaf blower vacuum, so I'm going to use the vacuum attachment. But first, let's see if we can skim some of these. Okay, so I'm getting quite a few with this. So, the rake worked pretty good. I got, the majority. So now what I'm going to do is use the vacuum attachment. This is what's in the bag. So that stuff is, stuff that I wouldn't have gotten off with the rake. Here's what that little section looks like after I've raked and vacuumed. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.